Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to our online class. And yes, it's your science class. Okay, I'm handling for fourth standard. We'll recall all the chapters what all we did in the previous classes. Okay, the first chapter, first unit was plant life. About plants, we'll talk today. Already I said about this chapter, and you know what is the food factory of which part is the food factory of a plant, how there is a process of making food in the plants, and what are all the things needed. What is the name that called for the process of preparing food in plants. Okay, I give a few questions here. You can take the first is. Chlorophyll is a dash color pigment present in the leaves. Okay, leaf of plants. See here in which color? See here the chlorophyll is a dash color pigment present in leaves of plants. And in which color it may be? It is in green color. Answer is green. Okay. Chlorophyll is a green color pigment. Yes, chlorophyll is a green color pigment present in the leaves of plants. Where it is present? It is present in the leaves in the form in the plants in the form of leaf. Okay, leaf is called, as well as we say the leaf is called as food factory of a plant or a kitchen of a plant. Second question, food factory. See here, which part of a plant? We have several parts of a plant. Yes or no? We have stem, branches, leaves, fruits, flowers, seeds. Yes or no? These are the parts of a plant. In the same way, which part of a plant is known as food factory of plant? Which part in the plant we call that as a food factory of a plant? Leaf is called a food factory of a plant. Leaves are called a food factory of plants because plants prepare their own food with the help of the part of the plant which prepare the food is called leaf. Leaf will prepare the food and supply to all the parts of the plant. It will supply the food to all the parts of the tiny pores present on the surface of a leaf. Dash are tiny pores present on the surface of a leaf. It is stomata. Answer is what? Stomata. Okay. It is stomata. So these are the three questions. Chlorophyll is a green colored pigment present in the leaves of a plant. Which part of a plant is known as the food factory of a plant? It is leaf. Stomata are the tiny pores present on the surface of a leaf. Stomata present on the leaf is responsible for why the stomata present on the leaf is responsible for two things. Okay, first one is giving its answer, giving out oxygen. What it gives out? It gives out oxygen in the air. Where we get the oxygen? We get the oxygen in air. Okay, giving out oxygen in the air. Second point is taking up carbon from fifth questions. Beans present on the leaves what we call that veins present on the leaves, that is called as network line. We say it as a network line, network of lines. Sixth question, a leaf is attached to the stem by a slake. It is called as slake. And seventh question, food prepared by the plants is stored in the form of, answer is starch. Starch. Okay, it is called as starch. Eighth question. Which one part formed by double pipe line of cells? Okay, it is called as main vein. Ninth question. I am a stem. and sweet. In taste. It is a stem and it is sweet in taste. When we taste it, it is sweet. Who am I? Am I? The question is this. I am a stem and sweet in taste. Who am I? Answer is sugar cane. Yes or no? Sugar cane will be sweet and the food is stored in the form of stem. Sugarcane is sweet and it is stored in the form of stem. I am a stem and sweet in taste. Yes, it is in the form of stem. The food stored in the form of stem and its taste is sweet. So, the answer is sugarcane. Which plants leaves are meant the edible part for humans? It is also sugar cane. Sugar cane plant leaves are edible for humans. Plants are the dash source of food for all animals. Answer is primary source. It is a primary source. Dash represents the feeding relationship between different living things. Question is here. The dash represent the feeding relation between living things, that is food chain. Answer is food chain. Dash is the broad part of the leaf Answer is, which is the broad part in the leaf? Part of a leaf. Leaf blade. Answer is leaf blade. Plants get most of the the carbon dioxide formed. That is, answer is A. Okay, plants get most of its carbon dioxide from air. Where we get the carbon dioxide and oxygen from? Air. We get carbon dioxide and oxygen from air. Prepare their food in the presence of sunlight. What are the three things we need to prepare the food? We need sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, which trapped by which it traps by chlorophyll. Okay. Turning of bleached leaf into blue black. When it bleach, it turns into blue black. Blue black color indicates the presence of, answer is, what it is present in that? Starch. Starch in the leaf. Starch in the leaf. Which plant does not prepare its own food? In the leaves. Children, which is the plant that do not prepare its food by its own? That is cactus. Answer is cactus. Answer is what? Cactus. In plants, food is stored in okay students, thank you. We'll wind up the class. We'll continue in the next class.